What's up, guys? It's Andrew with Fat Ass Glass. Super excited about today's video drop. It is 7/10, new product alert. We came out with the Bamboo Goo Swabs version 2. So Fat Ass Glass came up with Bamboo Goo Swabs about 2 years ago as an eco-friendly alternative to plastic and other swabs on the market. So let's get right into it. Version 1 we have right here. So it was the same type of tip on both sides, 100% organic cotton with the bamboo stick. Version 2, we beefed up one side and we made the other side pointy. So we listened to some feedback and we got a ton of awesome feedback, ton of positive reviews. That's why we came up with another. So we got the beefed up side that really helps absorb oil and such, and we got the pointy side that helps get into hard to reach places. Works great with quartz to keep it restored, keep it working great. Works good with bowls, poke through, blah, 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 blah. Whatever you're trying to do to keep your glass clean, or whatever you're cleaning. So the reason we're dropping this product and the reason we are super excited is because personally, I feel that a lot of the products on the market were quote unquote shitty, is what I'll say, or not great. So think of Q-tips similar to straws. Plastic straws, single-use product. So if you go to sessions, music festivals, things like that, people dabbing, a lot of times these end up on the ground, whether it's intentional or not. If it's plastic, it's going to be there forever. Same, even if you throw it in the trash, you know, landfills, ends up in the ocean. Why use a single-use product that's plastic when you don't have to? There are the paper ones too, which would be biodegradable, but when they get wet with isopropyl alcohol or whether water, however you're using to clean them, they just bend, they break, they kind of break down in water. So this is one of the best products on the market, I think, are our cotton swabs. So again, bamboo stick. Bamboo is sustainable, meaning it's easy to grow, grows in abundance, 100% organic cotton, 100% biodegradable. So this is a product not really trying to make money on. In that sense, there's not much room on these. Obviously, I literally ordered 1 million of these to get them custom the way we wanted them, the way we needed them. So my friends, my family say, you're a effing idiot. Why the F would you buy 1 million Q-tips? This video, I guess, is the answer to that. So yeah, I'm really passionate about this, guys. I think that this is a really cool product, and this is one way that I feel I can make a difference. And so there you go. So another thing we did, we cut the price in half. The last ones were $1.99. Sorry, the other way around. Actually, these are $1.99. The version 1s were $3.99, so we cut the price down to $1.99. Our prices have actually gone up, as you know, shipping, everything since the C word has happened. Yeah, shipping's up, everything's up, but we cut the price in half still just to get these out in the market. In my opinion, this is one of the best available products on the market for cotton swabs. Again, $1.99 for a 100 pack. We have discounts if you go to 500, 1,000, wholesale available, whatever you guys would like. We have all the cool Q-tip holders. Q-tips go here. This one's Homeblown Glass, great company, Arizona. Isopropyl alcohol for cleaning goes right in there. So the cap stays on so it doesn't evaporate. So you dip your Q-tips in the ISO and blah, 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 clean your glass. So just kind of make this video short, sweet. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feedback, I'd love to hear it. We have Fat Ass Glass Q-tip holders too. 14 millimeter joint here for your banger. Marble holder for the slurper, dabber stand, whatever you want to use it for. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, I'd love feedback from you. fatassglass.com, Fat Ass Glass on all social media. Check us out. Appreciate you. Cheers. Have a great 7/10.